All your bones inside you call the skeletal system, giving you strength and structure so that you won't flop around. And each bone got a function, there 206 of them. 70% of each bone is made from calcium. Sound like that's cool. The cranium protects the brain, the mandible. Jaw to Fuki, teeth in place, the clavicle. The collarbone, there's two of them. It's the scapula, sternum, cartilage. Your heart protected, and it's that sternum. That bone connects your ribs. Curved out your soul, lungs and heart are protected. Humerus bone from your shoulder to elbow. Your forearm is your ulnar and your thumbs are radius bone. Vertebrates, skeletal bones. Ligaments and tendons connect muscles. Blood cell production and storing calcium. Vertebrates, skeletal bones. Ligaments and tendons connect muscles. Endocrine controlling your skeletal system. How about your hands? The carpals, all the bones in your wrist. The metacarpals are where wrist and fingers connected. Phalanges, the small bones in your toes and your fingers. And in your foot is also the talus and calcaneus. Vertebral column, the spine to support standing straight. The cervical, the top 7 vertebrae, bottom lumbar, and the thoracic in the middle, and your pelvic girdle connects your upper and lower body together. And femur, your upper leg bone, supporting with the strongest, longest, and heaviest of all. To protect your knee, small bone, the patella, the inner thick tibia, outside is the fibula, and more vertebrates, skeletal bones. Ligaments and tendons connect muscles. Blood cell production and storing calcium. Vertebrates, skeletal bones. Ligaments and tendons connect muscles. Endocrine controlling